All right, we're going back to page 18, 2025 CR 26, State versus Jiyuan Fan. All right. I have been handed a document indicating that Mr. Fan wishes to enter a plea of guilty to count 2 of the indictment, a felony conspiracy to commit theft, and upon his plea, he would be sentenced to 3 years in the Tennessee Department of Corrections, would be ordered to make restitution of $113,000 to Christine Bond and $5,027 to the Dickson County Sheriff's Office. And this would be concurrent with any federal sentence involving the same conduct. He would receive pre-sentence jail credits from April 16th, 2025 until today. Have Mr. Fan raise his right hand and let the clerk administer the oath.
The only thing I would add, he's a range 1 offender and he's 30%, Your Honor.
Right, it is indicated. So.
I just wanted to make sure that was marked properly.
It is. State your full name for the record.
Jiyuan Fan.
Okay. You are here today charged with a 2-count indictment. Have you seen or been shown a copy of those charges and talked them over with your lawyer and discussed with him the range of punishment you're facing, as well as any possible defenses you might have?
Yes.
Do you understand that by entering this plea, you are waiving your right to a trial and to an appeal?
I understand.
Do you want to plead guilty according to this agreement and waive your right to a trial and to an appeal?
No.
I'm sorry, repeat that.
There are immigration consequences or likely immigration consequences. They've been explained. And if you ask, I didn't hear. I apologize.
I didn't, but we're about to. Do you understand that your immigration status can be affected by this plea of guilty and your conviction for this crime?
I understand.
All right. Do you understand, or is your decision to plead guilty today voluntary?
No. Yes.
Anyone forcing you to do this against your will?
You. No.
Do you understand I must have facts to support a finding of guilt in this case?
Yes.
Then listen as the state tells me what their evidence would be if this case went to trial. I assume that's simpler than asking him to.
Judge, the victim in this case, Christine Bond, lived in Dickson County. She received a pop-up message on her iPad and through resulting conversations ended up getting $25,000 in Bitcoin, $58,000 in cash, and delivering that to an individual in the Big Lots parking lot here in Dickson County. She withdrew an additional $35,000 in cash for a second pickup, but law enforcement was involved. They were able to stop the individual who was acting as a courier for that second pickup. Statements of that individual and examination of that cell phone led them to investigate Mr. Fan. Mr. Fan was sending the courier instructions and was instrumental in arranging travel for the courier. And as part of that, even though he never came to Dickson County, he was involved in this conspiracy.
Do you understand those are the facts the state would prove at trial? Are you satisfied with your attorney's services?
I am satisfied.
You believe your lawyer has done a good job of representing you competently? After you know of any reason he should not enter this plea?
I understand.
Anything further from the state?
No, Judge, as long as it is clear on the record that his attorney has admonished him and the court has admonished him that he will very likely be deported.
I would expect that there is a 100% probability that Mr. Fan will be deported to where I do not know, but he will be deported, I'm sure. So, then Mr. Fan, upon his plea of guilty to count 2, I find him guilty, sentence him to 3 years in the Tennessee Department of Corrections. He is to serve that as a range 1 offender, and that will be concurrent with any federal sentence that he has involving the same conduct. He is ordered to pay restitution of $113,000 to Christine Bond and $5,027 to the Dickson County Sheriff's Office. He is granted pre-sentence jail credits from April 16th of 2025 until today. That's the judgment of the court.